हाय गाइस, दिस इज हिमानी एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल फैशन एंड फिटनेस हिंदी। तो आज का वीडियो होने वाला है बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्साइटिंग, बिकॉज आज के वीडियो में मैं शेयर करूँगी मेरा टॉप लिपस्टिक कलेक्शन। बिकॉज इसमें मैंने न्यूड लिपस्टिक, बोल्ड लिपस्टिक दोनों को कवर किया है। सारी की सारी लिपस्टिक इंडियन स्किन टोन, डस्की स्किन टोन एंड फेयर स्किन टोन के लिए बेस्ट है। सारी लिपस्टिक का स्वेचेस देखने के लिए मेरा ये वीडियो एंड तक देखिएगा। एंड बिफोर गोइंग इनटू द वीडियो, इफ यू हैव नॉट सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल and hit the bell icon ताकि आपको मेरी वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन मिल सके। And if you are not following me on social media, please follow me on Instagram. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
Voices in my head scream so loud. Never know what they're talking about. Now I've got you under my skin. I feel it melting. You got my body feeling things even I can't resist. No, I can't resist. I can't resist. You see me in a different way. I didn't think my heart would let me stay. I can't believe I'm saying this. It's scary. It's scary. You see me in a different way. My love for you is every day. Count my blessings and I sing your praise. You're my everything. Used to be afraid you made me spell. Don't you know you make me nervous as hell? Always been afraid of letting go. You cut me open, told me you saw a side of me even I didn't know. How you made it known. You see me in a different way. I didn't think my heart would let me stay. I can't believe I'm saying this. It's scary. It's scary. You see me in a different way. My love for you is every day. Count my blessings and I sing your praise. You're my everything. See me in a different way. My love for you is every day. Count my blessings and I sing your praise. You're my everything. Now I've got you under my skin. I feel it melting. You got my body feeling things even I can't resist. No, I can't resist. I can't resist. You see me in a different way. I didn't think my heart would let me stay. I can't believe I'm saying this. It's scary. It's scary. You see me in a different way. My love for you is every day. Count my blessings and I sing your praise. You're my everything. Used to be afraid you made me spell. Don't you know you make me nervous as hell? Always been afraid of letting go. You cut me open, told me you saw a side of me even I didn't know. How you made it known. You see me in a different.
So this is all for the video. I hope मेरा ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत काम आएगा। And if you really like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family ताकि उनकी भी हेल्प हो सके। एंड लिपस्टिक की कंप्लीट डिटेल्स आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में चेक कर सकते हैं। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ। तब तक के लिए खुद का ख्याल रखिए, खुद की फैमिली का ख्याल रखिए। टेक केयर, बाय बाय, जय हिंद, जय भारत।